Welcome, my dear friends, to my YouTube channel and myself, Dr. PRASANTH, a commerce mentor and teacher. Today, in this video, you can watch different areas where you have to focus to score 100% in the upcoming accountancy exam. Definitely, this video will be very much fruitful for you. You can get a lot of important links of study materials and also YouTube channels. First of all, I would like to introduce my YouTube channel, Dr. PRASANTH. There you can watch the videos and a lot of people who scored 100% in accountancy exam, they are sharing their experience. You can go through the first link and full revision chapters are available. Very colorful explanations are there with the formulas and formats. You can score maximum if you watch that revision videos 1 and 2. Here I am attaching two important items. One it is revision schedule and another one it is previous year past 14 years analysis of board exam questions. So welcome to the revision schedule. After completing the economics exams, you can start a revision for the chapter accounting for partnership fundamentals. You know the whole weightage for our area. From partnership we can score 36 mark. From share and debenture you can score 24 mark, and from part B you can score 20 mark. See, MCQs are very important. 20 MCQs are there, 16 in part A and 4 in part B. So colorful materials for practicing MCQ is there in the link. Then partnership fundamentals, you can practice maximum MCQs because around 10 questions you can expect from the same area. Assertion reasoning questions will be there, and also 3 mark questions you can expect from the area. Continuously they are asking for the adjustment entry and the preparation of profit and loss appropriation with the guarantee of profit to a partner. And the next day you can start practicing of valuation of goodwill, change in profit sharing ratio area, and the very lengthy chapter admission of a partner. You can practice maximum MCQs from the area. New ratio calculation, sacrificing ratio calculation, gaining ratio calculation. Treatment of goodwill is very important. 6 mark questions you can predict. Accumulated reserves, profit and loss. And 3 mark questions you can predict for the area. Treatment of goodwill, creation of single adjustment entry, and admission, especially single adjustment entry regarding the change in profit sharing ratio, a revaluation account in connection with a revaluation account, accumulated profit or loss, and also treatment of goodwill, single adjustment entry they can ask. Then regarding the admission chapter, they will ask for the preparation of final accounts. Calculation of new ratio is very, very important. Every year they are asking some typical level questions which students have to spend 8 minutes. So you have to remember. And regarding the next day, you can practice chapters like retirement and death of a partner and also dissolution of partnership firm, where you can get questions like MCQs regarding gaining ratio calculation, treatment of goodwill, accumulated profit or loss. 4 mark questions sure you will get retiring partners capital account or loan account, executors account of partner. Then you have to remember the preparation of realization account. Last year it was a journal entry type question. Now in the sample paper they given as a realization account preparation for 6 mark. So practice maximum from the same area. And accounting for share capital, next day, full day you can spend for the same, where you will get lot of 1 mark questions like a calculation of number of shares issued and amount transferred to capital reserve, journal entry for the forfeiture or reissue of shares. 4 mark questions you can predict from the area, extract of balance sheet and note to account, journal entry related to forfeiture and reissue. In the sample paper also they asked a 3 mark question regarding then that forfeiture and reissue of share. Definitely there will be 1 6 mark question. Last few years it is only share. Now this year sample paper one choice it is from share, another choice from debenture. So practice maximum from the simple journal entries to the maximum end journal entry, share forfeiture to capital reserve. Moving to the next day, you can practice maximum for accounting for debenture and financial statement. In debenture, you have to give topics like issue of debenture consideration other than cash, and you have to practice how to draft the extract of balance sheet when you record issue of debenture as collateral security. That is very, very important. In the sample paper also it is given very detailed explanation. Then 6 mark question you can predict for the area like writing journal entry for the terms of issue and redemption of debenture, and also preparation of loss on issue of debenture account. Writing off of loss on issue of debenture is very, very important. And another area you can consider interest on debenture. So you can practice maximum. Regarding financial statement part B, you can take one question from MCQ and of basic theoretical part of financial statement, and 3 mark sure question for writing heading and subheading. Practice maximum. In the right side you can see head subhead questions tables also attached. You will get definitely this material at free of cost. If you watch the full video, I will share how you will get the files which is attached in the right side. So regarding the tools of financial statement analysis, definitely one choice question for 4 mark you can expect for the preparation of comparative statements. The trend in the last years, it is preparation of comparative and common size statement of P&L they are asking. And in the sample paper, they asked one fill in the blanks type analytical type question they asked in the sample paper. So practice maximum application level questions also. Moving to the next day, you can practice maximum accounting ratio. You know very well it is a lengthy area, 18 different ratios you have to learn. Kindly remember the formulas and sub-equations, and also you know very well 4 mark question, choice question. Last year it was 8 because they deleted the portion comparative and common size statement. Now it is included. Ratio you can expect maximum for 5 mark, 1 mark question, and 4 mark choice question for calculating ratio. And also sometimes they will give one ratio and some statements will be there, whether due to that statements or transaction any changes, increase, decrease, no change, that type of analytical type questions they will ask. Moving to the last day, you can practice maximum for cash flow statement, and you please remember in cash flow statement questions are asking on 2 1 mark questions, and that will be from different activities, operating, investing and financing activity, and 6 mark questions continuously they are asking. And you see that or I had marked here, they will ask sometimes not for the preparation of cash flow. Last year it was very simple for our region because they are asked only for operating activity. Some regions they asked full cash flow questions, and here they will ask questions like calculation of net profit before tax and extraordinary item, and they will ask for the calculation of operating profit before working capital changes, what is the net amount in investing activity, financing activity, and what is the total of net cash and cash equivalents at the end of the year. So you can practice like this. Weightages are there, lot of study materials are attached here. I will share how you can access these materials at the end. Here I would like to continue with the cash flow. See, you can prepare lot of different accounts like a fixed asset account, accumulated depreciation account, provision for depreciation or taxation account, long term borrowings account, like the same. So here I am sharing some hints and tips how you can practice for scoring centum in accountancy. You have to develop a clear understanding about all the concepts in our syllabus. Take the printout of the syllabus first. Practice regularly. You have enough time. Practice very simple and hot level or complex level questions. You have to master the common formats, especially accounts, journal entries, formulas, statements, everything. Then you have to remember the importance of time management. Practice every question as per the weightage. For 1 mark you can take maximum 3 minutes. For a 3 mark question you can take 6 minutes. 4 mark questions you can take 8 minutes. And 6 mark question you can take maximum 12 to 15 minutes. That is the time schedule you have to keep. You have to focus on the chapters and topics I had mentioned earlier. Revision is very, very important, and shortcuts for calculations is very simple. You can watch a lot of YouTube videos also, and you have to read maximum previous year question papers, and also when you get the question paper, read it very carefully. Write maximum concepts very neatly and clearly. Draw the formats very clearly, and you have to update with the latest guidelines of CBSE. You have to remember the important standard books, reference books you can utilize for practicing maximum problems, because every new reference books they are including last year solved board exam questions also, and you have to clarify your doubts on time with your teachers and also with the peers. Maximum numerical efficiency you have to increase, because sometimes you are failing due to delay in calculations and wrong answers. Then you have to solve maximum previous year board exam questions, and also definitely you have to compulsory, it is mandatory, you have to practice the current year sample paper. Then you have to be very calm and quiet, read the 15 minutes, read it very carefully, and select the questions which is able to finish it as early as possible. You have to attempt all the questions. When you are attempting the questions, teachers are getting the opportunity to mark, and you have to recheck all the calculations maximum time before finalizing the answers. You have to be very fast in calculation. This is one part of my video, and moving to the second part, where you can get a detailed analysis of last 14 years question papers asked in the board exam regarding different chapters. Chapter wise analysis of previous year board exam questions. Starting with the very important chapter, accounting for partnership basic concepts. You can go through that. Maximum importance you have to give for the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, and also the past adjustment entry preparation questions. Then I had combined together the chapters like valuation of goodwill, change in profit sharing ratio. Definitely you will get definitely 1 6-mark question for the calculation and the treatment of questions. Definitely you can practice maximum from the same area by taking hot level questions. Never expect any simple question, but you have to attempt to the maximum. Change in profit sharing ratio also, they will give some values and items in accumulated profit or loss, or items in the revaluation, or items related to goodwill. We have to write the adjustment entry. Continuously they are asking, they never skip the exams from these all areas. And admission of a partner, 6-mark question, definitely you will get from financial account, final account, maybe capital account and revaluation, or capital account and balance sheet, like the same. Sometimes they will ask P&L appropriation and the capital account also, if you are lucky. You have to practice maximum areas like a calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio, and also the treatment of goodwill, treatment of accumulated profit and loss. Capital adjustment is very important. Adjustment based on the old partner's capital or based on the new partner's capital. Moving to the next chapter, retirement and death of a partner. Here also you will get on 6-mark question for the preparation of final account and treatment of goodwill, treatment of accumulated profit or loss, calculation of new ratio and gaining ratio, and especially the preparation of loan account and the preparation of executors account. Last years they are asked only account preparation. Sometimes they are asking application level questions, like you have to prepare the journal entry related to executors account if they are paying the whole amount in different installment. Then moving to the next area, dissolution. You can definitely expect on 6-mark question for realization, because in the sample paper they included a realization account preparation, but in past few years they asked for 6 or 4-mark maximum journal entry type questions. Practice both journal and realization. How to prepare the journal from realization also very important. So that is 36-mark partnership, and now 24-mark share and debenture. Share, as I said, you have to by heart all the journal entries from the very beginning. Bank account added to share application, from that to share forfeiture to capital reserve. That different cases related to share forfeiture also very important. Another choice, it is preparation of extract of balance sheet and note to account is very important. This year sample paper, they given choice for that regarding preparation of bank that note to account and balance sheet, extract regarding the issue of debenture as collateral security. So practice maximum, especially three journal entries related to forfeiture and reissue, and also calculation of value transferred to capital reserve. Next chapter, debenture. You can remember the half portion, especially topics like terms and issue of debenture, terms of issue and redemption of debenture, then issue of debenture as collateral security and consideration other than cash. They will ask a lot of questions like writing off of loss on issue of debenture, the amount to be transferred to ASPR or statement of P&L, they will ask. And you can expect the account preparation like loss on issue of debenture account also. Practice maximum. And regarding the next area, you can remember the financial statement 20 mark area. There choice questions are there for 1 mark also. 1 mark 4 questions will be there, and one from the financial statement, one from the accounting ratio, 2 from the cash flow. And you have to remember 1 mark and 3 mark questions definitely will be there from financial statement, heading and subheading. Comparative and common size statement preparation will be there for 4 mark. Then calculation of accounting ratio and its analysis, significance level based on the standard value or ideal ratios. We have to write whether it is increasing or decreasing or no change. And also accounting ratio calculations are there. Practice maximum. Keep in mind and recall all the formulas and sub-equations. Cash flow, nowadays it is not much difficult. 2 1 mark questions will be there definitely, and 6 mark question will be in the form of maybe last year it is only operating activity, and full cash flow questions also you have to by heart and practice maximum. And as a change, sometimes they will ask for the preparation of accounts also, accounts like fixed asset account, provision for taxation account, accumulated depreciation account, loan account, like that they will ask. So kindly keep in mind, you will get maximum score. Please keep in mind this plan, and you can watch a lot of videos regarding the accountancy. Chapter wise videos are there in my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and continue with the same account. Thank you for watching my video. Definitely I will share this file link, that schedule plan link at the description area. You can collect the same from there, and you please remember subscribe my channel and watch the maximum videos of accountancy chapters, and detailed plan is there. All the very best for your exams. You can score maximum, especially in the board exam, 100 out of 100. All the very best. You will get a better career in future regarding commerce. Thank you. Thank you so much.